They're looking for somebody to double team. That ain't about it, man. We ain't about that. We ain't about that. Ooh, Maybach. I'm gonna say 7. 7 is a lucky number. 13. Hi, can I get 7 on 13?
7?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, I think that was a Harley or like something like that, and a Porsche, something like that. So. Yeah, so that was pretty close. What type of crap music is you listen to in your Honda? Okay, that was pretty close because we packed to the top. Packed to the brim. Seriously, that's what you're playing? She's really nice. I like her. I wish one day I can come here and speak to her in Spanish. I think she'd like that. I think she'd really like that. I'd make her day. That was a motorcycle road rage right there. If you guys are wondering what that was, I saw on the side mirror. A motorcycle, naked bike. Was going ham on it. And the dude was just boom, boom, booming. Oh, I almost missed it. Oh, we got a motorcycle shop in there. Not a motorcycle shop, but somebody on a motorcycle. I would go to the top, but there's like there's a bus and another truck up there, so I don't feel safe. I thought this is a souped up one. Black rims, glass, Infinity making loud noises for no reason. He tells me driving on the lane, stuff like that, they're too fat. I don't trust them biscuits. I don't trust them. Goddamn, he loud. But he got a GoPro on and a tank top, so he knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. I feel like you should wear more gear on a moped, because you ain't got no power or anything to maneuver out the way of anything. But that's just me. That's just me. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting out right, not as long, we're at 2.5 hours right now. Give or take, because the camera opens and closes, but we should be around probably like 2:45, I would say. Dude took the place. I was gonna take that third lane. So R6 with a shorty. Don't mind if I do. You gotta give the girl both sides, right? You gotta give her a choice, a reason, a reason, a reason. Thanks. There's a hole down there. That's why I came up so up. Came up past the limit lane. First dude said nice bike, second girl said, would you marry me? So I said, yeah, sure, why not? You can never have too many, right? You can never have too many. We're not gonna be able to catch up the R6, as you guys saw he was loud and proud. I'm not gonna be able to catch up to him. Even though our lane will open. Will not open. It will not open. They'll open first. Both of them. Don't do it, old lady. I know them streets like the back of my butt. Pretty damn well. They should open. Wait for it, see? Don't wave back, alright? F you. See you, lady? Follow me. I'm the leader. I know it all. I know it all. Yeah, there's a big, huge hole in the concrete, 2 of them. So I was trying to dodge those. I ain't trying to be a douche. What up, shorty? For you guys, not for me. That moped be fast. He got a little spunk to it. She saw it. She didn't like it that I was looking, but she saw it. So I think it was one of those things where she just has a RBF, but I don't mind. I don't mind. What we got on him? Nothing. But the moped guy is blazing it. You never get used to it. I gotta say, man, you just never get used to it. Rolls Royce girl. I popped into gear, didn't I? Yeah. There you go. Homie motorcycling or bicycling it. Bicycling it. Car full of shorties. You saw that? The girl in the back towards the Ferrari. The girl in the back seat, furthest away from me, was looking me dead in the eye, and I nodded to her, and that little smile popped up. I like that. Is you? Yeah, it's you. My bad. Ferrari turned though. It came out in a turn. It was in California. It turned. No worries though. We ain't going that far. We're just gonna see if we can catch any riders. Ask them to, you know, ride with us, ride me home safely. That's all I ask. I'll show you guys to California. If you can see, it's too low profile though. Wait for it. Oh, never mind. We already passed it. Tracer 900. I don't know what the hell that is. Yamaha. Dude, Yoshimura sold a jacket? Did not know that. Did not know that. Another Bentley Coupe. They fast. They're not super fast, but they fast. Nemesis has had the pleasure, but Broly has not. Oh! Hell no, that is messed up. That is messed up, you BMW slut. And she a youngin' too. That is just messed up. I'm gonna stay here. I don't want to cut too much. Seriously, don't make me cut. Seriously, just don't make me cut, man. Just do the speed limit and I won't be angry. Saw that? Open your damn eyes, man. But don't worry, we caught him. Guy shows it to me, oh, sexy. It's a fat one though. He got boots. He got jacket. They look like normal jeans though, but you never know. And then he's got them boxes which look ugly, but hey, each got their own thing. This dude's doing the leg dangle too, I like that. And yes, I know what's between his legs, but he's doing the leg dangle, trust me. Even if there wasn't a hog between his legs, he'd be leg dangling it. Young blood, he's got a young blood bandana around him too. He repping it as you riding it. Hey, it's that pride, right? It's that pride. What up, Chica? It's the same thing, right? I just feel safer going from here than going from there. Thank you. If I can split the lane a little bit more safer for myself and other individuals, then why not? And I'm being careful, so what's the problemo? And we got a Ferrari California, man, dripped and dropped to the ground. I like that. liking this ride. We got a rider behind us. He's riding with me. He's vibing on my flow right now, so we like it. He loves it, that my style of riding, grooving around and stuff. I'm gonna show it to you all, because I like it when I ride like this. It just flows so well, you never have to drop it down, and I love that, man. Because I don't want to always drop it down to the ground and bust it open. Sometimes I want to just, you know, keep going, you know? Keep doing my thing. And not be constantly stopped. You know, if you're dancing up on the stage, you don't always want to come down, and, you know, I know you get more for that. You don't always want to just, you know, come downstairs and, you know, start doing it over there. You want to just work the pole sometimes. You're in a groove. The pole's warming up too, unless you got a heated pole. Pool is warmed up and nice. You don't want to get off. You want to keep going. Shift's over. I don't give an F. I want to keep at it because you're just in that zone, and that's what we in right now. We learned something. I don't know. Are you guys feeling me right now? That's what I'm trying to say. He's feeling me in the back. Are you guys feeling me right now? And I'm just saying a lot of random stuff. I don't even know. What pole? Where's the pole? What vibe? I'm a douche. What vibe do I have? What vibe could I possibly possess? Ooh, those are some hard downshifts. I'm feeling myself right now. What is that song? It says that. I don't think it's Future. It's like a one-hit wonder kind of song. Artist. I like that downshift. That was a heavy one. Ooh, that was a heavy one. Just want to make sure. Puppy. See, this is the only time I wish I was a baby, so I could ride it like a horse. The puppy, not those people. Just, oh, that sounded gross. We going to the beach, huh? Beaching it up, huh? Beach. Beaching it up. Biatching it up. Come on, not a single rider pulling up on us. Besides this chopper dude or whatever this guy is, tracer dude. There could be more people behind me. I just don't care to look because I know it's not one of my homies. And not to sound like a racist, but just not my homies. Bye-bye, surfing dog. Surf's up. Dude's burning tires for no reason. That C8 Corvette. Homie, don't. That new Corvette. I think it was a C8. I don't know. I don't like how it looks, to be honest. Oh, what up, dog? Homie, that's the dude who's vibing with me. I was talking about. That's the guy who's vibing with me. I think it's Panda. That guy's designer. I think he's the one who said, "Oh, you feeling me right now? I'm on a vibe, man." Something like that in the beginning of the song. He's the one who says that, and I was like, "I'm gonna steal that. Snatch it." Nah. Actually, no. Snatch isn't bad. It depends if it's used with another word. Now, if you say snatch brain, then yeah, that's bad. Don't say stuff like that. Let me say stuff like that because I say it in a way that it makes it happy, amuseful, glorious. But don't use it if you don't know how to use it, because my homie, I know how to use it. Let Papa use it, alright? Let Daddy do his thing. Don't get in the way of Daddy. Papa knows best. Me. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yo soy on his way to mi casa. Hopefully, is that creo? No, creo is I believe. I don't know. Anyways, headed home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe only because I love you. This is Roddy and saying that bicycle was looking at me, Maserati. Bicycle was looking at me straight up, raw dogging it with his eyes. But remember, this is Roddy and saying as always, subscribe only because you love me because I love you, and I'll see you next time. Peace. I'm out.